The greatest benefit that I gain from VSO is the priceless experience. Nothing more, nothing less. Becoming a volunteer, it changed me as a person.
I'd like to encourage people to do volunteering because totoo yung sabing, sharing skills, changing lives.
When I joined Nandam Senior High School, I observed so many things like the education system there. The teachers are used to do teacher-centered methods of teaching. Or in other words, it's like chalk and talk method. So when I came there, I introduced student-centered methods. So because I believe in the philosophy of education that the more senses are involved, the more learning takes place. I emphasize it to them. Students will learn more if you give more activities, hands-on activities to the students.
The ministry was looking forward to this new law. At least it would set in place procedures, regulations, guidelines on how they will now be able to come up with a system on animal diseases. Kaya ako, I am excited na sana and very hopeful na pumasa ito sa Parliament. When I left that law, it has been in its final stage. So yun ang mag-aalalay sa kanila para sila ay umangat sa sitwasyon nilang nandito sila, maiaangat nila ang agriculture and animal sector, as well as yung health, population, health ng tao at ng animals. It's like the whole spectrum of society ang natutulungan sa law na yun.
You know, the feeling that you were able to help other people is very good. I don't know how could I describe it, but it's priceless and very, very worth it. So I would certainly ask my friends and even my students in the Philippines to volunteer.
1 year of wala akong stress sa buhay ko. Very strong ang impact sa'yo na pag nag-volunteer ka, hindi na mawawala. Parang it's part of your skin or pumasok na sa dugo mo, sa system mo, ang pagiging volunteer. Given a chance, I would volunteer again.
Many of the Ghanaian students cannot afford to go to school. So I am hoping that every child can attend to school. I am hoping that I can contribute more since I am going back. Being there for 2 years is not enough. So I have to go back.
It is really changing lives. They changed my life, I changed their life, and we shared skills. Yung both ways, we created a difference in their lives and in my life. Napaka masayang experience yon na hindi ko ipagpapalit. Parang it's one of a kind. And I'm thankful for VSO. They gave me a chance.